Marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for near-shore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, near-shore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open water from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City outside late until 1:30 a.m. At 11:36 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 17 nautical miles southwest of Joliet to 47 nautical miles south of Aurora, moving northeast at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Harbor, Hammond Marina, Wilmette Harbor, Jacksonport Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Belmont Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Marina Shores Evans Harbor, and 59th Street Marina. Marina Shores Evans Harbor, 59th Street Marina.